When it is unsupported, then you can declare. And if you are artificially maintaining the respiration, now it's an heart lung preparation. That means you are making the components alive through ventilator. You are supplying the oxygen with the help of ventilator, which is being distributed to the components. And now this body is dead, but working as heart lung machine. Heart lung preparation. And this is the organ bank. It is working as an organ bank. The components are alive by the artificial support of ventilator. You are pushing the oxygen with the help of ventilator, supplying to the components, and they are alive. But clinically, the person is dead. So that is known as beating heart donor or living cadaver. Beating heart donor means you have kept the heart alive with artificial support. And this is a living cadaver. So the person is dead, but you have made it to live with artificial support. So after the brain death has been established, the retention of the patient on ventilator for the persistence of life in the components is known as beating heart. And this is the success of the homograph. And it depends that in the life in the component parts still exist. Only then the transplant will be occurred. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to receive all the notifications. And my channel name is Dr. Javed Iqbal Kokar, Lectures on Forensic Medicine.